Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video, and welcome to the National Kit Car Show. I am here outside the MK Sportswear stand, which I guess pride of place right in the doorway. They've got an amazing selection of their range of vehicles. So I'm gonna have a quick look at those, hopefully speak to Neil and Sean and Steve and see what's going on, what's new. And it's, as you can see, it is a very, very busy stand. People all over looking through the cars, looking at seeing what's what. And yeah, really looking forward to having a catch up, and it's been a while, so they've got a lovely selection of cars, and it's about remaking the MX-5 usable. That's kind of the base platform going through. They've got the Ford Dura-Power, they've got Honda powered, they've also got motorbike engines, so the world's your oyster in that respect with their cars. But yeah, really nice things on display. So let's take a closer look at what we have on the stand. Made it inside and found the MK Sportswear stand, and they've got a number of cars on display, from bare chassis to complete cars from all of the range, and lovely to see what is here. So a lot of these cars, other than this RX-5 250, maybe this one as well, the Sprint, I've seen in the factory. So they've got their standard RX-5, lovely little thing. And then they've got the Sprint. The Sprint may have actually been their European entry, yeah, left-hand drive. So this is the one they've made for the European market. It opens up the doors for use in mainland Europe. I think there's Sweden, maybe Norway are going to be their biggest exporter. Using the Ford Dura engine, or the, what do they call it, Dura-Power. And you've got your bare chassis. You can see, obviously, you've got everything. This is part of the kit form. This is what I'd be really keen on building, taking a flat pack car, bare chassis, powder coated, and you're running your fuel lines, running your brake lines, and build the car from the ground up, and then you can definitely call it your own. Okay, mate. So this is a new one, never seen this one before, but this is a RX-5 250, so it's a MX-5 powered with a turbo engine. Lovely, and I love the MKT number plate. So yes, very, very good. And I love the colour codedness. Super nice. Padded seats for comfort. And then obviously the Cup 200, which I went out on the road test. An incredible car, a real exhilarating experience, and one that really blows your socks away. Chris Hoy has driven this, he's signed it. It's an incredible thing, motorbike engine. What a car, what a car. And yeah, I don't know if they, you've got the grip rails on there from when I was screaming like a little girl, but super, super cool. So they've got a combination of all the colours of their wheel arches they can do, from blues to whites, oranges, reds, anything you want they can do. And if they can't do it in that colour, then they'll either make it to order, and then they will colour code them to your requirements. So
yeah, similar thing.
They've even got all the little merchandise on display, which is really cool. MK hats, which may be actually a real good shout for today. So yeah, the MK stand is very impressive. This is going to be the quietest I've seen this stand all day. And they've even sold a vehicle. How great is that? lovely car. So this is the MK that's just been sold. £22,000 for a MX-5 Turbo, and what a car it is. A stunning colour. I think Sean's going to take it out for a quick road test. She's lovely. Okay, mate.
How you doing?
Good, thank you. Congratulations on the sale. Talking to Sean, I think. Talking to Neil, sorry. Neil, I finally caught you.
William.
Lovely to see you.
Busy boy.
You are possibly the busiest stand I've seen here all day.
Well, if you look round, yeah.
Not today.
Not today.
Well, not now.
Not
Not now.
It has been absolutely bonkers today.
Yes.
I'm talked out. I'm absolutely talked out. So if I don't say much now, it's because I'm talked out.
Oh, I think you'll still talk. It's fine. Well, thank you for having me, again and having a chat with me. I see one of the cars is gone.
It has. It has. Things don't hang around quick with us.
No.
They don't. They go rather rapidly. They don't hang around. They're.
Well, I saw it there this morning.
Yeah.
Beautiful colour, turbo on it as well.
Yeah.
Not going to hang around for long. And then next thing, sold.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah. That was one of many today. It's been a rather successful day.
Fantastic.
Yeah. We've taken a lot of deposits. So thank you to everybody. Yeah. Thank you to everybody out there who has come into our.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
This is your realm, isn't it?
Yeah,
This is
yeah. You know, open the door to MK Sportswear, I guess.
Yeah.
That's really, so thank you to everybody who's done that today. 3 months' time, you will be receiving your kit, and you will be a happy builder building your car in your garage. So yeah, it's been good. Day one, I think I did take a half an hour to go outside as well today.
Yeah.
And it was way busier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, this show has exceeded my expectations, not only with, obviously, the fact that... And did you get some footage of the fact that we were absolutely bombed out earlier?
We've been here now, I think this will be our fourth attempt to come and speak to you.
Right, okay.
And I thought, do you know what, we'll just leave it. To the end of the day, when everyone's calmed down and everyone's like packing up, as you can see here.
Yeah.
And we come around, spoke to, people and come back and absolutely, you guys do what you can do. And you clearly are, because the car's sold, and I'm hoping it's coming back for tomorrow, because...
It is going to come back because we've got a gap there. So it will be back, but it will have a sold sign on it, so that's no problem.
Yeah.
But yeah, these cars, we don't tend to take in, and pre-owned cars don't really come up very often because customers just keep hold of them. They just like to, they like the building experience. And the guy that sold that's a pre-owned car, he sold that because he's coming and buying another kit. So that's going to fund his next kit.
Yeah.
We do this time and time again. It's just good fun.
Well, from my point of view, which hopefully you'd like to hear this.
Yeah, go on.
We've been around the show. We spoke to various owners of the cars.
Oh yeah, brilliant.
And everybody cannot sing your praises enough.
Oh, that's nice to hear.
So from owners of the MK Sports cars.
Yeah.
New owners, old owners.
Yeah.
They're all singing your praise.
That's great.
They're all saying about how passionate and the dedication that you and the team give as a whole.
Yeah.
And they come down to your cars and coffee events. They come, got an issue, pick up your phone. That you always give everyone the time of day. And I think amazing.
Well, we're obviously doing something right because
Absolutely.
we're selling cars like crazy, selling kits like crazy, and really what you've got here is you've got the guys who are driving the business are enthusiasts.
Yeah.
We've both owned cars. We're enthusiastic about the car. Actually, everybody in the team is very enthusiastic about the product. Yeah. It's a great little product. We just need to get our name out there even more so than what we're doing.
Yeah. Well, every car that surely rolls off your production line, be it in kit form or completed, is another marketing thing that goes out there and someone sees it and goes,
what's one of those?
What's one of them? Do a quick Google, hopefully see my video and your videos and go, I want one of them.
And,
I want one of them.
Yeah, and they're pretty basic cars. I've had a lot of compliments today from people about the engineering that we've done and how the cars have been put together. And it's not just a case of, like with the Mazda car,
Yep.
it's not just a case of getting the Mazda engine bit and just bodging it in there.
Yeah.
It's been engineered to go and fit nicely and make it look good. With the Cup 200 car, I had a couple of guys who were going to sprint the car, excuse me, and they were quite amazed at how the whole thing has been put together.
Yeah.
And you know, he said it feels like home in there, and he was very, very comfortable inside the car. You know, I know you've been out in the car, and the car's bonkers.
Mental.
It is. He's bonkers fast.
Yeah.
It's a very underestimated car, I think.
Yeah.
It doesn't look quite as fast as what it is, but
no. And I went out in the wet.
yeah.
and even then, amazing. And I think, you know, the cars you've got on display today, you've got a real mix. I mean, when we were down at the factory, you had this in part build.
Right.
So that's all now complete.
Yeah, that's been out to Norway. So we did a motor show at Norway.
Norway, has it?
Norway. we did a motor show at Norway.
Brilliant.
And we have a Norwegian dealer out there.
Fantastic.
And you can buy the car out there in a kit form.
Yeah.
Like a big box of everything, a big boy's Lego set basically. You can put it together out in Norway, and they'll be able to get it street legal. That's one of the countries that we've been focusing on.
Yeah.
It's a big market out there. The car went down very, very well.
As it should, really.
They don't see
look
it.
at it.
It's quirky, right?
It's amazing.
When we unveiled it in Norway, they drove out in an electric Porsche, and everyone was like, "Oh, it's an electric Porsche. It's a bit like, it's a bit meh." And this came out, you know, revving engines, and it's that very old-looking style, but it's a modern classic. Hence the name of the business. So we have new banners.
Yep.
Up. And
new banners and merch as well.
Merch, yeah, merch.
I mean, I was thinking if you sold many umbrellas today, but the temperature and the heat, I imagine it would be quite a good seller to get some relief.
Yeah, they are a good size as well, those umbrellas, to go on the roll cage. So if you're racing, and one of our cars,
sit over in the pit lane and stuff.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And they go over that. So I've had them made big enough to go over the roll cage. So there was method in the madness. But yeah, so we got good stuff going on. As I say, super pleased with what we have got.
Yeah. Well, since we met up, I've been keeping an eye on the social media stuff.
Yeah.
And I particularly enjoyed one that someone posted the other day to say about of all the cars in your fleet, which one would you have? And I just replied saying, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Eddie's fine.
They're a good package. I mean, this is a new model, so this is the 135 that we've got.
Yeah.
So this is a Duratec 1.8.
Yeah.
We do the Duratec 2 litre. And obviously with the Mazda, so the Sprint model has now got yet another engine. So it's got a smaller...
Keeping that development flowing?
Yeah. This is because in Norway you need a brake horsepower per tonne limit.
Yeah.
So we've engineered the 1.8 engine into that because it's lower horsepower, power to weight's not quite so high.
Yeah.
Still a hoot to drive. And this sounds like a little sewing machine. I mean, it sounds like it's a really quiet little engine. The whole install is incredibly quiet. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Really good. Not sort of like garish and in your face, you know, shouty loudy. It's a nice little package. So that's what we're showing off today. But I bought this one specifically because I've got the standard seat in the Cup model.
Yeah.
I've got the wide seat in the RX-5 model, and I've got the padded seat option in the Sprint model. So,
and if I'm not mistaken, in the Mazda Turbo, you had a extended padded seat because it had padded for the headrest.
That's something that the customer had managed to get made.
Yeah.
That isn't something that we do per se. But
it's definitely a look at what is the potential to
look.
have.
Yeah, it's a different look. So, but yeah,
I'm sure
very
you need
pleased with the day. Absolutely knackered now.
I bet you are.
Need to get some cough sweets in because our throats. I'm a bit talked out now, but seems to have gone down very well today, and I'm very pleased with what we've managed to do. So yeah, from
Well, you've got a fantastic location here, like right in the doorway.
yeah.
Everyone comes in, the first thing you see is your incredible stand. So
Well, it sort of says what it does, what it says on the tin. Do you want a
Yeah.
home assembly vehicle? Tick. Do you want us to build you a car? Tick.
yeah,
Whatever you
want
need.
your merch? Tick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised how many cups I've sold today. I don't know why we've had a run on mugs, coffee mugs.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've done all right with coffee mugs today.
No, well, as always, Neil, it's been an absolute pleasure.
Good job. Thank you, mate.
Thank you very much, and hope tomorrow goes as well as it has done today.
Yes, and I shall see you on the next one.
Absolutely.
I'm sure there'll be a next time.
Oh, there'll be a next time. Not tomorrow though. I'm going home.
No, I don't blame
But-
you.
And yeah. So from me and MK Sports Cars, thank you very much. And yeah, check out MK Sports Cars on all platforms. And yeah, other than that, anything to add?
I need to go home now.
Let's go home. So get a nice refreshing cold beer or something.
That is exactly what is on the menu.
Right, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.